I feel like I'm a better trader now than a year or two ago because of, yes, experience, but also because of the psychology that I've learned from you, the mindset, and just different books that I've read, and just putting it into practice. And so we always hear about, psychology is 80% of the whole game. It's not the trade itself. It's what's going on in your mind, and it's really true. And we've talked about this with a lot of people here. You could give us all the same starting positions, and I'll bet you money every single one will end up differently. And it won't just be by a buck or two. It'll be, some of us will have losses, some of us will be break even, some of us will be up. And it's not because you necessarily did adjustments at the wrong time or whatever. It's what's going on in your head and what you think, what you're making the market do in your mind.